get my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Selamünaleyküm arkadaşlar, ben Serkan. Traktöre dair kanalıma hoş geldiniz. Arkadaşlar bugün yine Patla tehlikeli yayla yollarından balya getireceğiz. Onu göstereceğim. Dik bir yokuş var. Yollar taşlı, zorlu. Bakalım nasıl olacak? Haydi gelin videomuza başlayalım. Tepeyi yavaş yavaş çıkarken babam patlatı kullanıyor. Ben de drone'u kullanacağım. Fakat drone'u kullanmakta biraz zorlanıyorum. Sebebi de şu arkadaşlar. Bu bölgede ilk defa uçuş yapıyorum. Onun haricinde de patlat üzerinde sarsıntılı ve gürültülü bir yolculuk yaptığımız için ekstrada güneş ışınları drone'un kumandasına vuruyor ve ekranı görmekte zorlanıyorum. Yine de sizler için güzel görüntüler çıkarmaya çalışacağım. Daha bu yoldan balya yüklü halde ineceğiz ve yine drone görüntüleriyle göstermeye çalışacağım. Bu yol yukarıda ne kadar düzgün bir şekilde görünmüş olsa da çakıllar, taşlar var. Tekeri patinaj yaptırıyor. Zorlu bir yol arkadaşlar. Kepçe biraz düzeltmiş ama yine de zorlu bir yol. Drone'u tehlikeye sokan bir başka durum ise bu bölge yüksek dağlardan ve kayalık alanlardan oluşmakta arkadaşlar. Yırtıcı kuşların bolca yuvası var. Yırtıcı kuşlar drone'u gördüğünde av zannedip saldırabiliyor. Yırtıcı kuşlar saldırmasa bile diğer kuşlar da drone'u gördüklerinde tehlike zannedip onlar da saldırabiliyor. Tabii küçük bir kuş bile drone'a çarpsa pervanesini kırıp düşmesine sebep olabilir. O yüzden dikkat ederek düzgün bir görüntüler çıkarmaya çalışıyoruz bu videoda. Şimdi biraz da kendimize yaklaşmaya çalışalım. Tabii yaklaşabilirsek. Yaklaşırken de kafamda tek bir düşünce var. Yüzümüze gözümüze çarpmamak. Şimdi el sallayacağım. Tabii el sallayamıyorum. Ben buradayım dercesine el kaldıracağım. Gördüğünüz gibi. İşte bu şekilde yolculuğumuz devam edip gitmekte arkadaşlar.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that? Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be great.